Hello and welcome to our lesson about absolute value. You're going to watch this video and take some notes Cornell style like we practiced in the computer lab. Absolute value. Absolute value describes the distance of a number on a number line from 0 without considering which direction from 0 the number lies. The absolute value of the number is negative, never negative. It's just the distance from 0. That pretty much summarizes that definition. The distance from 0. The absolute value of 5 is 5 because its distance from 0 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces. The absolute value of negative 5 is also 5 because as you count to the left of the number line, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 spaces, you can see it's also 5. So if I were to do a little expression, equation has an equal sign, expression doesn't. Okay, expression. The absolute value of 2 plus negative 7 is going to still be 5, and here is why. If I start at 2, and then I go negative 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, I'm at negative 5, but the absolute value of negative 5, its distance from 0, still 5 units. The absolute value of 0 is 0. This is why we don't say the absolute value of a number is positive or negative. It's just the distance from 0. The symbol for absolute value is two straight lines surrounding a number or an expression for which you wish to indicate the absolute value. Like this. See the two lines next to the 6? Right here and here? That is showing you that means absolute value. I would read that as absolute value of 6 equals 6. The absolute value of negative 6 is 6, which is like I just read it. If I were to take the absolute value of negative 2 minus x, that means that the absolute value of negative 2 minus x. I'm saying it twice, I don't know why. Then let me explain exactly what this little symbol means. If you've got the negative on the outside, it's going to end up negative because you're absolutely valuing whatever's inside the absolute value signs. Then it would become negative if the negative is outside. The number line is not just a way to show the distance from 0, it is also a good way to graph your absolute value. Here are some examples. Consider the absolute value of x if that is supposed to equal 2. So if you want to show x on a number line, you need to show every number whose absolute value is 2. So here is negative 2, which absolute value is 2, and positive 2, which absolute value is 2. Now, I want you to think about this, and I want you to try this out before I reveal the answer. If I were to do the absolute value of everything that is greater than 2, to show x on the number line, you need to show every number whose absolute value is greater than 2. When you graph that on the number line, an open dot indicates that it's not part of the number. But if it was a closed dot, then it would be saying, hey, closed dot is including this spot. The symbol greater than indicates the number being compared is not included on the graph. And the reveal. The absolute value describes the distance of a number on a number line from 0 without considering its direction from 0 the number lies. The absolute value of any number is never going to be negative. Make sure that you pulled out 2 vocabulary terms somewhere from this video, and don't forget to write your summary. Thank you.